Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to see YouTube dislikes. This is pretty simple, so let's start. First of all, update your YouTube apps from your Play Store or App Store, and then open your YouTube app and play any video. Here you don't see the count of dislikes, so I want to play any other videos. Here you don't see the dislikes count. So if you want to turn on this, then click to the profile section and click to the setting and scroll down, and here you can see option that return YouTube dislike setting. Click to the setting option and then enable this, and yeah, you done. And then click to the same video again, and here you can see the dislike count. So I want to play any other
$100,
and here you can see the YouTube dislikes count. So I hope you like this video. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. Goodbye.